At Troy-Bilt, we want to make yard work the best work. So we're sharing a list of tools that do just that, even if we didn't make them. Let's go to the toolbox. When you do one thing in the yard or garden, you'll find 5 others that you need to do. So, you can either make a separate trip back to the shed for each tool you need, or lug them all around with you. Either choice is a hassle. And hassles ruin yard work. But this tool solves that problem. The DeWit Garden Dagger. It's a modified version of a Japanese hori-hori knife, and it can handle all sorts of garden tasks. It has a strong steel blade, serrated edge, and sharp point that are great for cutting roots and small branches, digging in tough soil, pulling out weeds, quickly replanting flowers, and a lot more. Its ability to eliminate the need to carry multiple tools or make a bunch of trips makes it like a Swiss Army knife, only bigger and way cooler. And that makes yard work the best work, just like a Troy-Bilt. That's why we put it in our toolbox.